Apple's clear case design has changed this year, and they've introduced this white rectangle that covers most of the back instead of the previous white ring for the MagSafe. The white ring is still visible on the inside, but you can't see it from the outside anymore. When Apple first showed this design at the keynote, I didn't like it at all. I couldn't see the point in having a white rectangle on a clear case. But when you look at the back of the silver iPhone 17 Pro, there's actually already a white rectangle in place, which is where the ceramic shield back is. So really the clear case just follows the same design and actually looks okay. And I think when you put this case on it, it actually looks really nice. It kind of blends in with the silver iPhone. I was convinced I wouldn't like it on the orange or blue versions, but I recently got a chance to try it on the orange iPhone, and I actually really liked it. I know it's not technically a clear case, but I like the two-tone version, and it looks pretty good with the orange. I would imagine it would look pretty good on the blue as well, but I haven't tried this, so it's hard to say for sure. Unlike the tech woven and silicone case, the logo matches the same position as on the back of the iPhone. At the bottom of the phone, there was a large gap that spans the charger and speakers, so you do have this area exposed. I've had some comments that people find a lot of dirt gets in and around this area, and because it's clear, it can look a bit dirty over time. I'm not sure having this big gap is good or bad, but it's nice having it all protected like the other cases for the extra peace of mind, even if it's just for a few scuffs and scratches. There are no holes for the lanyard straps either on this case, so if that's what you want, this is not the case for you. The case is quite rigid and doesn't flex too much, and I was asked on my unboxing video what the edges of the case felt like, and I'd say they're pretty smooth with no hard edges. It's quite comfortable to hold. On the sides, everything is clear except for the camera control button, which is white. Similar to the tech woven and silicone cases, all the buttons feel nice and clicky, and due to the massive camera bump that spans the length of the phone, you don't get any wobbles if you're typing on a table. When you pair it with the iPhone 17 Pro in silver and orange, this is what it looks like. So overall, I think it feels really comfortable to hold, and it looks really smart. It complements the silver really well, and I do like it on the orange for that two-tone look. I'm sure there'll be plenty of comments below saying how ugly it is though. Overall, for my first impressions, I really like it. It'll be interesting to see how it holds up over the long term, and if it starts to turn yellow or not. And here's what it looks like in different lighting scenarios on the silver and orange.